Good morning, kids. Yes, in our previous class, we learned about indefinite article. That is all about a and an. Let us learn the definite article. Though it is a definite article, it denotes a particular person, particular place, right? And there are several rules. We use the article, right? Which are the rules? When we are talking about a particular person or a particular place, and when we are talking about the mountains, rivers or the waterland areas, right, and the holy books and the ordinal numbers, and for the place which has one of its own kind, right. So let us say the Gol Gumbaz is in Vijaypur, right. Where is Gol Gumbaz? The Gol Gumbaz is in the Vijaypur city. Here, the Gol Gumbaz and the Vijaypur city, they are one of their own kind, right? There is no other Gol Gumbaz. Only one Gol Gumbaz exists on the earth. For that kind of things, we use the Gol Gumbaz, the India, right? India is our country, and India is the special name given to a country. So that special name refers the article. Understood? So here children, I will not write the definitions here. We will read from the textbook, page number 55, right? Page number 55. So what we have to do? You have to understand. So slowly I will explain it to you. All of you open your textbook, page number 55, and note down your homework. Your homework, you have to write page number 55 in notebook, and read 3 times. Okay, so tomorrow it's a Sunday holiday. What you have to do, you have to read them 3 times, twice. Okay, write 55 page number, all the definitions in your grammar notebook. Read them and understand them. Okay, now open it. I'll explain it to you slowly. See children, definite article. The is called the definite article. Why? Because it denotes a particular person or thing, right? It denotes a particular person or thing. Look at the following sentences. See, I have a glass of milk at night. I have a glass of milk at night. The milk has sugar in it. The milk has sugar in it. See children, here the is used before milk because the noun milk is repeated again. When we repeat the noun, we use the, right? The is used before a noun when the noun refers to itself in an earlier sentence. I have a glass of milk, right? The milk has sugar in it. So here the noun refers to itself in an earlier sentence. We use the in the following cases. See children, they are the very important points which we have to learn when we use the article. First point is to refer to a particular noun. When we are referring to the particular noun, we use the. Example, the books are on the table. The books are on the table. We are just referring a particular noun. The book, the table, right? Next, second point, when the noun stands for an entire group of its kind. When the noun stands for the entire group of its kind. The rose is beautiful flower. See, the rose is beautiful flower. This is the one of its own kind, an entire group, right? It can be a pink rose, yellow rose, right? Red rose. So the rose is refers that stands for entire group of its kind. Before names of river, what is the third point? Before names of rivers, mountains and other such areas of water and land. See, for the rivers, mountains and the areas of water and land, we use the article. See the example? The Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean, it is the largest ocean in the world, children. So, the Pacific Ocean is a one of its own kind. So, we use the Pacific Ocean. Ocean means there will be a lot of water, huge amount of water. Next, before natural objects. See the fourth point? Before natural objects and name of objects that are only one of their kind. Example, the sun is larger than the earth. See children, here the sun and the earth, they are natural objects and they are one of their own kind. The sun, only one sun is there. The earth, only one earth, the planet where we live in. The sun is larger than the earth. Next point, before names of holy books. Before names of holy books. We praise our God with the different holy books, right? Example, the Bhagavad Gita. The Bhagavad Gita. Hindus, they will read Bhagavad Gita, and the Christians, they refer the Bible, and the Muslims, they use the Quran. They are the different regional holy books, right? For them we use particular noun the. Article we use the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Understood? Next, before adjectives, the sixth point, before adjectives of the superlative degree. Before the adjective of the superlative degree. That is, example, Satish is the best student in the class. So here, among all the students in the class, Satish is the best student. The best means among all the students, Satish is the only student who is best. So we use the best. Sheila is the most intelligent child in the family. Sheila is the most intelligent. The most intelligent. Right? Means in entire family, only Sheila is the most intelligent. Next, the seventh point, before ordinal numbers. Before ordinal numbers. Example, Sunita won the third prize. See children, ordinal numbers you might have already learnt in your previous classes. That is first, second, third, right? Till 10th, 11th. They all ordinal numbers we use the. Understood? So, learn about these 7 points when we use the. This is the definite article. Understood? Refer a particular noun when the noun stands for its kind, the name of rivers, mountains, and the natural objects like sun, moon, earth, star, cloud, right? Before names of holy books, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Quran, and the adjectives means that describes the noun. Adjectives are words that describes the noun. Satish is the best. How is the Satish? The best. So, he is the best student in the class. And the Sheila is the most intelligent child in the family. And the last point, before ordinal numbers. All the ordinal numbers we use, before that we have to use the. Understood children? So, neatly this entire page write one time and read it. Okay, bye, take care.